Good morning to all. I am Dr. Mahendra Nandaram Lokande, Assistant Professor from Avyar Government College for Women Karaikal, Pondicherry. Today we are going to see photochemical smog reactions. Before going to see the photochemical smog reactions, we need to study the pollutants. The pollutants are those compounds which causes pollution. These pollutants, according to size, divided into three categories. First category is coarse particle, which are the largest particle and which size having 2.5 to 10 micron. Second one is the fine particle, which is 2.5 micron or smaller than the coarse particle. It is observed in stuff like smoke and haze. The third one is the ultrafine particles. These are the smallest particle of the particulate, which is having size 100 nanometer. Normally, the pollutants are divided into two categories. First one is the primary pollutant. Primary pollutant are those pollutants such as nitrogen oxide, volatile organic compound, which normally react with in presence of the sunlight. And the secondary pollutant are those pollutants which obtained or observed because of the chemical reaction of the primary pollutant such as oxide and VOCs, which gives ozone and some other products such as PAN. PAN is nothing but the peroxyacetyl nitrate. Then the major question is coming, that is, what is a photochemical reaction or photochemical smog? Photochemical smog is a mixture of pollutants that are formed when nitrogen oxide and volatile organic compound react in presence of sunlight, which gives a brown haze colored smog. It tends to occur more often in summer. Because of that, it is also called as the smog. How this smog is observed? First, nitrogen dioxide reacted in presence of sunlight. So this is one kind of the photochemical reaction which gives nitric oxide and oxygen radical. You can see by arrow that dot is a radical. This radical form of the oxygen reacted with the oxygen gives ozone, and we know that ozone at ground state is a dangerous one. This ozone reacted with nitric oxide gives nitrogen dioxide and again oxygen. So when this nitrogen dioxide reacted with alkyl group such as some hydrocarbon and acetoxic compound which gives a PAN. PAN is nothing but a peroxyacetyl nitrate. Second one, when this nitric oxide reacted with rocks means alkoxic compound which gives nitrogen dioxide and other reaction or other product. So this is a complete pathway of the photochemical smog reaction. Now we can see the other things in the form of representation. So in the solar system, this under solar radiation which gives a photochemical reaction, the nitrogen dioxide reacted with sunlight gives nitric oxide and oxygen radical. This oxygen radical reacted in presence of the molecular oxygen gives ozone. Same way it reacts with hydrocarbon gives aldehyde and PAN. After, when this nitrogen dioxide reacted with water to give nitric acid, and this is a haze or a smog is formed, and this smog is called as the photochemical smog. Thank you very much for listening patiently. Hope we will see in the next slide.